Hi, my name is Lauren and welcome to RAM HQ. Today we're going to show you a quick install of the GDS Uni-Conn powered wall dock. The installation steps are as follows. Step 1. Thread JST connector on dock assembly through wall plate and into the PoE charging module. Step 2. Connect Ethernet cable to PoE, then connect plate adapter into desired electrical junction box using flat screws. Step 3. Connect dock assembly to wall plate. Follow the links in the description below to see the other versions of the wall docks we have to offer. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click the link to subscribe and to check out our other videos. We'll see you next time.